snapping my braces off like that. So y'all, ew, they look ugly and nasty and ew. It's glue. It's glue. Not too much. It's glue. So this is them. Pretty light. Light. How is that heart lighter than that heart? Yeah.
If you want to be on camera, if you want to be behind the camera, if you want to be radio.
No, I'm good, thank you. Okay, 2 more. These front ones can get pretty sensitive, so just raise your hand, okay? Okay. Almost done with this one. One more.
Ooh, y'all, I look crispy. This is it. What's that red stuff? That red stuff, red dot. Y'all see them? Did they mark the ones they replaced? Yeah, y'all, that was my appointment. I told y'all I was upset because, yeah, because y'all know I was upset because of the whole gold thing. So I had them take them off. He actually took some other ones off. I had him take 10 off total myself. He took some other ones off because he wanted to. But really because he wanted to reposition them. But my appointment, what happened today? The pros and the cons of my appointment today. So, how do I want to wear my hair? the pros about my appointment today were I got my gold replaced. So I'm a satisfied customer, I shall say. The cons are I got my gold replaced, so I have to backtrack in them. I told y'all my last appointment I got a thicker wire. Now I have to go back to the wire that I had when I first started, and my teeth are gonna hurt again because I pretty much got my braces removed and put back on. That's exactly what happened. So I restarted in a way. So gotta backtrack in some of my stuff. However, I'm happy. He needed to reposition some of them anyway, so it all worked out really. And it's not really too much to say about this appointment. That happened, and now it's over. The appointment didn't take too long. I tried to record some, but y'all have to understand, I don't just want to shove a camera in their face. Because I tried to record me. If they're right there, I'm not. But I did record the sound because it was kind of satisfying to me when she was getting the glue off of my teeth. And my two front teeth, guys, my very two front teeth are white, very white. Those two teeth stood out to me for some reason. Should I wear my hair like this? How should I wear my hair? How should I wear my hair, guys? But the point was pretty good, you know? It wasn't too shabby, Pretty god-darn decent, actually. It was painful a little bit on some teeth because they were just more. I'm like, damn, you just snapping my braces off like that? In my head, that's what I was thinking. But I guess that's how the process goes. So now I know how it would be when I get them off. And it was like the glue and a little bit of plaque, y'all. When I started flossing, because I ain't had a deep floss. Because I had a deep floss like that. Like down, y'all. My gum at the bottom started to get up. I don't know what this red stuff is that they have on my teeth. And this tooth, y'all, the gum goes up farther. So this teeth is way longer than this one. And I'm just like a little bit sad because quite honestly, I really don't want little tiny teeth, but I'd rather have straight teeth, so. And those teeth are tall too, but this teeth, tall. So that's what happened in my appointment anyway. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to become a city baby. If you haven't subscribed, what are you doing? And if you watch to the end, this is gonna let me know if you watch to the end of my videos. If you watch to the end, drop your name, and I'm gonna pick one of y'all, and I'm gonna show some love. That's all I'm gonna say. If you watch to the end, but make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, man. Hit that bell to be notified when I post. Peace.